today's world, true luxury isn't about wealth. It's about privacy, care, and self-respect. There's a quiet ritual known only to those who value these things deeply, the Brazilian Wax Privé. A refined experience that blends confidence, precision, and the art of calm. This ritual began on Brazil's beaches, where beauty and confidence meet the rhythm of the ocean. What started as an act of personal care soon became a symbol of freedom and elegance. Over time, it evolved, reaching the world's finest spas, where it took on new meaning, precision, privacy, and peace. Inside a privé suite, every detail is designed for comfort. The scent is soft, the lighting gentle, the atmosphere serene. It's more than a treatment, it's a pause from daily noise. For many, it becomes a rare moment to reset, to breathe, and to reconnect with themselves. What sets the privé experience apart is the craftsmanship. Every step follows professional care standards. Each movement is measured, precise, and focused on safety and respect. This isn't just beauty care, it's a form of artistry rooted in skill and trust. In a world where luxury is often loud, Brazilian Wax Privé reminds us that the finest things are quiet. True luxury is not about display, it's about inner confidence and refined discipline. It's the calm that comes from knowing you're cared for, respectfully and professionally. The Brazilian Wax Privé has become a global symbol of self-care and grace. It stands for confidence, self-respect, and the belief that true beauty begins with how we treat ourselves. Quietly, it has transformed from a simple beauty ritual into an emblem of modern elegance. To experience it is to understand that real luxury isn't about excess, it's about attention to detail. Every small element matters, and every moment is treated with care. Brazilian Wax Privé is an experience that honors confidence and quiet strength. A timeless ritual, perfected by those who believe the best things are done with grace and integrity. If you believe wellness is more than appearance, join MTH Health, where we explore the world's most refined health and self-care rituals. Subscribe and discover what true luxury feels like.